So my name is Michael. I work with the credit repair team. And something specific that we did that was just a success recently with one of our clients is we had them come in and they had a very low credit score and they weren't able to do much. They were very hindered by their credit. So what we were able to do with them is we did just different factors and we showed them how to take cause over their life and kind of be responsible for their credit and kind of really look at what was happening with their different factors and showed them what was important and what wasn't in regards to their credit. So as soon as we showed them that, we're able to do what we do with the credit repair, and we boom their credit so that they are now able to get loans. They're able to really do what they want with their life. And it was just a very exciting thing for us with the credit team and for them specifically.